Good evening, everyone. I welcome all you people to IICS session 2 today. Okay, so before starting the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel link, which is having around 35,700 subscribers. So I'm sending you in the WhatsApp group, sorry, in the Zoom chat. So please subscribe them. So in this YouTube channel, you have many useful videos available for Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS-IDMC, cybersecurity, GCP, Snowflake, AWS, Azure, SAP, Salesforce, A&ML, generative AI, etc. Okay, so those are the courses available. Okay, please like them, comment on them. And if you want to see all the courses available with us, go to rajinformatica.com. So this is our official website, rajinformatica.com. So in this, if you see, these are all the courses available. A new course we are starting, generative AI, React.js. We are starting these two. We are starting soon. AML, ANML, Azure. So then Snowflake, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, SAP, cybersecurity, Power BI, GCP, AWS DevOps, Python for AI, Tableau, and Salesforce. So these are all the almost we have around 16 courses available with us. You can refer your friends if they are interested. Okay. So let me directly go to the session. Okay. So meanwhile, before going to session, so if you have not provided your phone numbers, so please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. So that project WhatsApp group contains daily updates like uh, any job openings and interview questions and also Informatica discussions. So everyone, please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Will you provide, guys? Everyone, please. Can you reply? Everyone, can you reply? Are you able to hear me? Able to see my screen? So don't miss. So please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. So just provide your name and phone number so that we will add it to the project WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, guys. So please provide your phone numbers. Yeah. So have you attended last two sessions? We have one demo session completed and one session completed already. So have you attended those two sessions? If you did not attend, so these are the two sessions. I'll provide you the YouTube link of the two sessions. Okay, so this is the first session. Session 1, this is session 1. Okay, and session 2 is this. Session 2 is this. If you did not attend it, so please complete this session 1 and session 2. Yeah, session 1, session 2. I sent you both the links. Please go through them. Okay. So in the last session, what we have done, we have seen what is the difference between IICS PowerCenter and Informatica PowerCenter and Informatica IICS. And also we have created a trial account. So have you created a trial account, everyone, please? Everyone, have you created a trial account? Yes, please. Okay. So now let's go from there. Okay. Let's go from there. So let me log into Informatica Cloud. How to log in? Copy the URL in your Gmail. Open incognito mode in the Chrome. Open incognito mode in Chrome. And then take your ID, your Gmail ID as your ID. This is your Gmail ID, is your username. Yes, please. This is username and the password which you created at the time. What happened to this? Hold on a second, guys. Yeah. So this is how So when we log in, this is how it looks like. As I told you, we are all learning CDI. We are all learning Informatica IICS or IDMC. CDI, Cloud Data Integration first. We are all learning Cloud Data Integration first. Okay. So to start with Cloud Data Integration, what are the services required? We require administrator, open in new tab, data integration, open in new tab, monitor, open in new tab. Okay. Now, once you log into Informatica Cloud, the first step you need to check is whether Informatica Cloud service is running or not. That is what you need to check. So how to check whether Informatica Cloud service is running or not? Go to administrator, runtime environments, and now here this one, the second one, your laptop name it will show. Click on this, check whether the service is required. So what are the services required for CDI? The services required for CDI is data integration server and common integration components. These two are enough. If process server is error, that's not a problem. Okay, you can restart it if you want process server. How to restart this? To work with CAI, we require this. Suppose this got error, right? How to start it? Under the service here, there is service here. Select process server, stop and start. Just click on stop and then start. Click on stop and then user is stop. Select process server again, start. So it will take some time to start. It will take some time to start. So now we don't need to wait. We can start directly. Okay. So are you clear, guys? We require two services as of now. One is data integration server. One is common integration components. Are they running or not? Everyone, please. Are they running or not? Yeah, they are running. They are running. So we can start. Now to start with, go to data integration. Suppose in Informatica PowerCenter, we will connect it, right? So normally what we do, we go to Informatica PowerCenter, we will connect to the repository. Once we connect to the repository, we will create a folder, correct? In Informatica PowerCenter, what we do, we will open PowerCenter Designer, we'll go to repository manager and we'll connect it and we'll create a folder. Same way, we need to create a project and folder here. Now, how to create a project and folder? Go to data integration. I am in data integration, Informatica data integration. Go to explore in the left side. Click on explore. We have many buttons here. I'll tell you all those things later. Now in the left side, go to explore. When you click on explore, okay, when you click on explore, if you see here, there is one button called new project. There is a button called new project. First, you need to create a project. So project means just a name. We'll create a project, then we'll create a folder in it. One time, this is one time. So create a new project. So where we need to go? We need to go to data integration, explore, new project, project name, PRJ underscore, anything you can give, PRJ underscore Raj Cloud or whatever it is. You give any name, a project name. Once you given the project name, click on this, again click on this link, click on this, we need to enter into the project. Once there are total 3 projects are there. These 2 projects are defaultly created. Click on this. When you click on this, we will go into the project. So now we are in explore, all projects, project Raj Cloud. Once it is done, you need to create a folder. So project and folder will create only one time, not every time. Create a folder. So what is the folder name? I'm giving a name called batch. I'm giving a name called batch. So now click on it. So now where we are in? We are in explore, all projects, project Raj Cloud, batch. So now we can create the mappings. Whatever the mappings we create now, those mappings will be under where? Under explore, all projects, project Raj Cloud, batch. Are you clear, guys? Everyone understanding? Are you clear? How to create a project and folder? Clear about it? Yeah, okay. So now let's do the mapping. Before doing the mapping, let me explain one thing. Just hold on. Yeah, okay. So now before going to that, okay, first what you need to do is, you need to, usually what I will do now, okay, my requirement is like this. Yeah, okay. So my requirement is, this is my requirement. So before that, please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat so that we will add you to the project WhatsApp group. If you did not given, please provide your phone numbers. Okay. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now what we have, source, target. So as of now, I will take source database as Oracle, target database as Oracle. Now source database as Oracle, target database as Oracle. That's what I will take now. Okay. And now source schema name, I will create it as OT-SRC dev1. Target schema, I will create it as OT, some schemas I will create, okay, to work on it. We need to work today, right? OT-SRC, OT-TGT dev1. Target schema name, TGT dev1. And now source table name, I will create it as customers. Target table name, I will create it as customers underscore TGT. Okay. So now we will do the mapping to extract the load from customers table and load it to target table. So now what I will do, I will open Oracle SQL Developer. So is everyone installed Oracle SQL Developer? Is everyone installed Oracle SQL Developer? If you did not install Oracle SQL Developer, it is in my YouTube channel. If you want to install Oracle SQL Developer, you can go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. So here search in my YouTube channel, search Oracle SQL. Just search Oracle SQL. Yeah, this one, Oracle 11G installation and Oracle SQL Developer installation. So you can follow the video and you can install it. You can download and install it. I given a step-by-step video over there. Okay. So now what I will do, I will create, we will take source as Oracle, target as Oracle. So we need to create two schemas. So how to create two schemas? Go to Oracle SQL Developer, click on sys, So we have like this, it will show. Click on sys. Sys is a user created by by Oracle. Click on this. Now write it here, create user OTSRC-1 identified by admin. Okay. Grant all privileges to OTSRC-1. Grant DBA to OTSRC-1. So I am creating a source schema. I hope everyone knows how to create a source schema. Do you know how to create a source schema, everyone, please? So if you did not, then you have to learn it. I already explained this all in PowerCenter training. This is not a PowerCenter training, please. This is Informatica IICS training. So to understand IICS, you must learn Oracle and PowerCenter. Everyone, please, do you know how to create a schema? I need the replies. Everyone, please reply in the Zoom chat. So now I am creating a source schema. Created. Source schema is created. Okay. Source schema is created. Same way, create target schema. OT TGD-1 identified by admin. Grant all privileges. Grant DBA. So create a target schema also. Now configure it. How to configure? Click on plus. OTSRC-1 name. Username OTSRC-1. Password admin. Save. Test. Connect. So now OTSRC-1 is created. Same way, TGD-1. So give OT-TGD-1 name, username, password, save, test, connect. So OT-TGD-1 also created. Now I will give in the today's material. In the today's material, what I will give is in the today's material, I will give the Oracle tables and data. If you are my PowerCenter students, these you might have already there. Apart from that, I will give many more. So as of now, we need to work with something. We need some tables. So go to Oracle tables and data. So in the today's material, I'll send this material to you. Go to this folder Oracle tables and data. Open it. Open schema DDL. Open schema DDL. We have many things here, many tables here. Control A, Control C, select all, copy. Come to OTSRC-1, paste it. And then select all, execute them. So these are all the tables created. Regions, countries, locations, warehouses, employees, contacts, customers, order items. So then remove it. Now go to second notepad. These are insert statements. Control A and Control C. Select all, copy and paste it in OTSRC-1. Execute them. Select all and execute them. So that you will get some tables and data to work on daily basis. Not only this, I will give many tables in the future sessions. As of start, I'm starting a small thing. Okay. So now if you see in OTSRC-1, we have these many tables created. We have these many tables created. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? I need the replies, please. I need the replies. Are you clear? Any questions? You can ask in the Zoom chat if you have any questions. Okay. So now what is our source table? Customers. So what you do here is you give in the source schema select star from customers. In the customers table, how many records are there? There are 319 records. There are 319 records in customers. I need to create a target table called customers TGT. So what I do? DEST customers. Okay. I'll copy this. We can do many methods. I am doing easiest method. Copy these column names and data types. Go to target schema. Write it. Create table. Create table customers TGT. Create table customers TGT. Open and close bracket semicolon inside this page sheet. So remove this not nulls as of now, not required. Yeah, okay. So these are the columns I am creating. Whatever the columns in source, the same columns I am creating here. The same columns I am creating in target. So now target table is created. Okay. My source table is with 319 records. Target table is having 0 records, correct? In the target table, how many records I have? Select star from customers TGT. How many records I have? I have 0 records. Now what I need to do? Extract 300 records from source table and load only 10 records to target. Load 10 records. On what criteria? The criteria is the filter condition. You need to write a filter condition. You need to do a filter condition in the mapping. So this is source. Okay. This is source. This is target. And this is filter condition. Okay. Everyone, what is the filter condition? The filter condition is customer ID is less than or equal to 10. Whatever the customer IDs are less than or equal to 10, only send that records to target. Understanding everyone? Only customer IDs less than or equal to 10 should go to target. Are you clear about the requirement? Extract 390 records from source, apply this filter condition and load 10 records into target. Are you clear, please? Did you understand the requirement? Okay. Now, if you want to do the same mapping in PowerCenter, what you will do first? Okay, there is a folder created. There is a folder created. Already folder is there. Okay. There is a folder already there. Now what you will do first in PowerCenter? If you want to do this mapping in Informatica PowerCenter, what is the first step will you do? Can you reply please in the Zoom chat quickly? What is the first step will you do? Anyone please? Anyone guys? First what we will do? We will create the ODBC connections. We will create the ODBC connections and import the source and target. And import the source and target. Yes, please. Correct. First we will create, we'll go to here, we'll go to source analyzer, sources, import from database, create the ODBC connections and import it. Same way. So we will create a source connection and we will create a target connection. Yes, please. Same way here also, we need to give a source connection. What is source connection name? Anything you can give, but a meaningful name is, 1 second please. Just a second please. So what is the connection name you can give? You can give any name. But a meaningful connection I am giving CONN underscore OTSRC1. We need to create it now. We need to create a source connection. Yes, please. And also we need to create a target connection. So what is the connection name? You can give any name. I am giving a meaningful name called OTSRC dev2. Yes, please. Yeah. So now in IICS, you know how to create the connections in PowerCenter. Now in IICS, how to do it? That is what we need to learn now. First step is create the connections. How to create the connections? Go to IICS administrator. Go to IICS administrator. In the left side, are you seeing connections? In the left side, are you seeing connections, please? Click on the connections. Click on the connections. We don't have any connections here. Now what you have to do, once you click on the connections, click on new connection. Click on new connection. Once you click on new connection, it is asking the connection name. What is the connection name we decided? We are creating first source connection name. So go to Informatica Administrator, Connections, create a new connection. Then connection name, CONNOTSRC1, type. Type is my source table is in Oracle. So select Oracle. When you select type, it is saying flat file, MS Access, MySQL, ODBC, or Oracle. So click on Oracle. Once you click on Oracle, now the main thing here is runtime environment. Runtime environment means what? What is runtime environment means? What is runtime environment means? Secure agent, correct? We install the secure agent, correct? Runtime environment. Runtime environment. What is runtime environment? Also called secure agent. Now what this secure agent will do? See please. For example, this is database. This is database. This is our system. This is our system. This is Informatica server. This is Informatica server. What is this? I'm writing here. I am trying to explain the what is secure agent. This is database, Oracle. Oracle database. This is our laptop or desktop, whatever it is. This is our laptop. And this is Informatica cloud server. Informatica cloud server, which is there in their system, Informatica system. We don't see this. Now, in our laptop, we installed what we installed? Secure agent, correct? In our laptop, we installed first what we installed? We created a trial account, created Informatica IICS trial account. Then what we have done? We installed secure agent, correct? Yes or no, guys? Everyone, that is what we have done. Now what the secure agent will do? Secure agent will, by using secure agent, you can import the tables to our laptop. Wherever Oracle database is in our laptop only, but if Oracle database is in any system, by using secure agent, you can, what you can do? By using any system, okay, the secure agent will establish a connection between your laptop and Oracle database. When you save it, once you import, when you save it, suppose you created a connection in your laptop under IICS trial account. What it will do? The secure agent will save. Secure agent will save in Informatica cloud server. So what it will do? It will, the secure agent, what it will do? It will establish the connection. Establish the connection between any database, any cloud database to your local system. And whenever you save anything, suppose you save a mapping in your where the mapping, suppose you created a connection, you saved it. You imported a source, you saved it. You created a mapping, you saved it. You created a task under this trial account and you saved it. Okay, where this will save? In Informatica cloud server. Who will save this? Secure agent will save. Understood, guys? Are you clear? Did you understand the importance of secure agent? Did you understand the importance of secure agent, please? So, secure agent will establish the connection between any database to your local system where your trial account is using and where your secure agent is installed. And when you save anything, it will save under Informatica cloud server. It will not save in your system. But when you do in PowerCenter, it will save in your system, but not here, please. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Understanding, everyone? Secure agents, that is why secure agent is very important. Now, if we are creating a trial account, see now, we created a connection. We are creating a source connection now. Okay. In this, after the source connection, the type is Oracle. Now, runtime environment, you must select. If you don't select, you cannot. If you don't select what, you cannot import or you cannot establish a connection. So, and Oracle subtype on-premise, authentication mode, Oracle database, username. So we need source schema, username. From where we will get the source schema, username, password? Yes, please. From Oracle. So go to Oracle, select your source schema, right click, properties. Here, select the username. Username is OTSRCD1. Paste it. Password is admin I given there. Whatever the password you given, give it here. Host, whatever the host name, local host, service name is XID. Paste it and test connection. When you test it, now it will give test connection was successful. The test for this connection was successful. And now, so now, how is the connection is successful? Because of secure agent. Now, when you save it, see now, it will save the connection. It will save the connection now. See, please, go to connections again. Now it is saved. Where it will save? In Informatica Cloud Server. Same way, create one more connection, target connection. Click on new connection. Once you click on new connection, connection name. The connection name will be CONN OT TGT Dev1. Type is again Oracle because my target table is in Oracle table, Oracle database, Oracle schema. Again, secure agent everywhere. Secure agent is very important. Click on the secure agent and username. Go to Oracle and select right click properties. Select this OTDGT Dev1. Okay, the username. The password is admin. Host will be whatever the host name given for the target schema. Service name will be SID, whatever the SID they given here. And now test connection. Now it will also show the test for this connection was successful. Now successful, then save. Once you save both, now go to connections again. Both source and target connections are successful. So now we created the connections. Once we create the connections, what we need to do now? We need to configure them. So now we can create the mapping now. Okay. So what we have done, we just created the connections. That's it. we just created the connections. Like in PowerCenter, what we have done, we created source and target connections. Now we created. That's it. We did not import it still. Now, what is the next step? So administrator is used to create the connections. Whatever the connections you have, you need to create in Informatica administrator. Once it is done, now come to data integration. In PowerCenter, usually we will first import the source tables, correct? Usually we will first import the source tables. Yes or no, please? First we'll import the source tables. Okay, then create the mapping. Import the source tables like this. Source table will import it. Target table will import it. Okay, target table will import it like this in PowerCenter. I'm just comparing both to make you understand better. Okay, we will import the target table. We will import the target table like this, correct? We'll import the target table like this. Yeah. Some cost is yeah. Then once you import the source and target, then we'll create a mapping like this. We'll create a mapping. But in IICS, what you need to do? Just create source and target connection. Now go to data integration. Now you are in where now? You are in which tab? You are in Explore, under Project Cloud, under Batch. Now here you can create a mapping now. How to create a mapping in IICS? Click on this plus new. Click on this plus new. Here we have tasks, data ingestion and replication, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. We are creating a mapping now. How to create a mapping? Go to mappings tab. Go to click on this where, click on plus, click on mappings, and then create, and then create. Yes, please. Now, when you create a mapping in IICS, automatically source and target has come, correct? In IICS, when you create a mapping, automatically a source and target has come. But in PowerCenter, if you see PowerCenter, when you create a mapping in PowerCenter, say created a mapping, go to mappings, create. It will ask the name. I am creating a mapping. Is it the source and target is created here? No. You need to drag it in PowerCenter. In PowerCenter, what we need to do? In PowerCenter, you need to drag it like this. Drag the source, then drag the target. Correct? That is what you have to do it. Yes or no, please? That is what you need to do it in PowerCenter. Everyone, guys? Like this, you need to drag, then connect it. But in IICS, is different. When you create a mapping in PowerCenter, in IICS, a source and target automatically comes. But this is not a real source or target. This is source transformation, target transformation. As of now, save it. Save. Now where this will save? In under Informatica server. Okay, now you need to understand this window, please. Try to understand the window. Okay, see here. If you see here, the left side window is called connection window. This is called mapping canvas. This is called transformation window. The downside window is properties window. This window is new home explore bundles is connection window. And this full is mapping canvas. The left side is the transformation window. And the downside is properties window. And this is the mapping name. Mapping invalid or not valid. Save, run, undo, redo. If you have any parameters or variables, If you want to validate the mapping, if you want to select SQL ETL query, or if you want to create a new mapping task and all, I will tell all those things later. And then this is arrange all, this is delete, this is cut, copy, paste, zoom in, zoom out. In the left side design, you can see the transformations available. So in PowerCenter, here you can see the transformations available, correct? These are all the transformations available. Or go to transformation, okay, create, then here you can see all the transformations. But in IICS, what they have given directly here in the left side: source transformation, target transformation, access policy, aggregator, data masking, expression transformation, filter transformation, hierarchy builder, hierarchy parser, Java transformation, joiner transformation, lookup transformation, maplet, normalizer, rank transformation, router, okay, sequence transformation, sorter, SQL transformation, structure parser, transaction control, union transformation, velocity, web service transformation. So these are all the transformations available. Apart from this, we have many things available. I'll tell that later. As of now, these transformations are available. You can use any transformation as per your need. Now, what is the first step? See now, if you see the window, please try to understand this window. I just selected, I clicked on this mapping in the empty window, empty. Now a blue border has come, see, a blue border has come, means you selected the mapping. For example, if, see, when you now again, this downside window, as I told you, this is what this downside window is called, properties window. What is this window is called? Properties. Now, when I click on this empty space here, this is what? This is mapping I selected. That is why whole mapping, the blue border has come. The properties, the mapping name, mapping location, it is showing. You can drag up. The properties, this is mapping properties. Also, there are three buttons on the properties: minimize, restore, maximize. If you want to minimize the properties window, minimize it. If you want to look up transformation, also there. Yes. If you want to minimize the properties window, minimize it. If you want to restore, restore it. If you want to maximum, maximize it. Again, restore it. So you can drag this up and down. You cannot drag this. Okay, but you can drag this up and down. So now, because I am selecting mapping, it is showing mapping properties. The mapping name is mapping1 and it is saved under project large cloud batch folder. Project large cloud batch folder. So now first step, rename the mapping. So click on this empty space, rename the mapping m underscore customers TGT. Now when I click this and save this, this will save. Is the mapping name is saved? Same way, you can now, once the mapping is saved, you need to configure source and target. This is just a source transformation, target transformation. Click on source. Now when I click on source, the blue border appear on source. The properties will change. The downside properties will change. What are the properties we have? The source properties: general, source, fields, partitions. So now first, if you want, you can rename the source. Rename does not mean that configure. Configure is different. Here it is showing the source transformation name as source, target transformation name as target. If you want, you can rename it. Otherwise, leave it. I am renaming it. My source name is customers. If I give here customers, it will not configure it. It is just name. That's it. Same way, click on target. Now target properties. These are the target properties: general, incoming fields, target, target fields, field mapping. So click on target. If you want, you can change the target. If you don't change, also not a problem. Now change it. Customers underscore TGT. I changed the target properties and then save. Still, it is not configured. Still, it has not configured. We just renamed the source transformation, renamed the target transformation. That's it. There is no source qualifier in IICS. In PowerCenter, when you drag a source qualifier will come. Correct? Like this, right? When you drag a source qualifier will come along with the source. Yes or no, please? Is right, guys? When you drag a source qualifier will come, but in IICS, there is no source qualifier. All will do the work in source only. There is no source qualifier in IICS IDMC. Now, how to next is, so what we have done, we created source and target connections. We come to data integration. We created the project and folder. We created a mapping. We renamed the source. We renamed the target. We renamed the mapping. Then configure the source. Which source it is? Customer source. Configure means click on source. In the down properties window, click on source again, this one. So click on the source first, source icon, source transformation icon first. Then at the downside window, click on source. When you click on source, it is asking the connection. Whatever the connection we created under administrator, the same connections it will show here. See, connection OTSRC dev 1, connection OTTG dev 1. No need to refresh anything. It will automatically refresh. Just click on CONN dev 1. Source type. There are 4 types actually: single object, multiple objects, query, parameter. All those things we'll see later. By default, single object. Now, we need to select from this schema, from this connection. This connection is pointing to OTSRC dev 1 Oracle schema. From that, we need to select customers table. How to select? Click on the select. When you select whatever the tables available in source schema, see, it has given all the schemas automatically. OTSRC dev 1 selected. In that, whatever we have in Oracle, all the tables it is showing, correct? In Oracle, we have these many tables. All these tables it is showing here. Select your desired table, that is customers. Click on OK. Now the source configuration is done. Did you understand what is source configuration? Did you understand, guys, how to configure the source? So the object is, see here, from OTSRC dev 1 schema customers, immediately save it. If you don't save it, you will lose it. Again, you need to do it. Next, configure the target schema. How to configure it? Click on target icon. In the downside properties window, target, then connection. Select the target connection, CON and OTTG dev 1. Target type, there are only 2 types, single object, parameter. Select the target table. Select the target table. Select. We have only one table in target schema in OTTG dev 1. Select this. Click on OK. Click on OK. So my target configuration is done. Now click on save. Now click on save. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? How to configure the schema? Sorry, how to configure the source table? How to configure the target table? This is the procedure. Now you need to do the filter transformation here. How to do the filter? I will tell in the next session, please. Next session will be maybe day after tomorrow. I'm not sure. Okay. Yes, please. I'll tell you when is the next session. Okay. Meanwhile, today there is special offer going on. Just hold on a second, guys. Just hold on a second. Hold on a second, please. So the next session will be on Wednesday. Okay. So meanwhile, the offer is ended actually. If you want to still join, still I can give an offer. Whoever joined today, so you can join 14,450. Okay, and you can join. The course fee is 17,000. But today, if you want to join again, okay. So you can pay 14,450 and you can join. Okay, you have all the details. I guess you have all my details. If you want to join, you can go to here. Okay, I'll send the phone pay and GPay number. Okay, so this is the phone pay and GPay number. Yes, please payment details. If you want to join, you can. If you want to discuss with my team, you can discuss with my team. If you want to join PowerCenter plus ISS, PowerCenter is 15,000, ISS is 70,000. Both will be 32, but I can give it for 25,000 only. You can join. So meanwhile, any questions, please? Did you understand today's session clearly? So whatever I have done in today's session, please do it in your laptops. There is a partitions means will it run parallelly based. Somebody is asking question. There is a partitions means it will run parallelly based on any key from source or to improve performance. Partitions are to improve performance. Partitions are to improve performance. We'll see that later. Any other questions, guys? Everyone? Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Did you understand clearly today's session? Please reply in the Zoom chat. Please reply in the Zoom chat. Did you understand clearly today's session? Others, please reply. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Okay, somebody is asking a question. While creating connections, what is the criteria for selecting Informatica Cloud as host or runtime environment? The criteria, that is not a criteria. Okay. That is not a criteria. Okay. That is a mandatory thing. Without secure agent, you cannot work with ISS. Because secure agent is a bridge between your local system to database to Informatica Cloud Server. Next question. Where can we find the details of these tables for importing? I will send this folder today in the Google Drive. Okay. In the Google Drive, I will send this material today. In that, you can see Oracle tables and data. How we deal qualifiers here, I will tell you in the later sessions. How to deal the qualifier, I will tell you. Okay. Secure agent. What is a secure agent? Secure agent is an intermediate bridge between your local system to the database and also to the cloud server and also to the IICS cloud server. Okay, how to whatever you can how to deal with qualifiers. You can deal in customers in the source only. I'll show you in the later sessions. Are you clear, guys? Understood, everyone? Any other questions? Any other questions, please? Can I use Oracle in Linux to connect? You can use it. Try it out. But I don't think so. You can try it out. No, not an issue. You can try it out. Any other questions, guys, before winding up? Before winding up, any questions? No questions? Fine, guys. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Before winding up, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So Raj Cloud Technologies, Raj Informatica. So this is my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, please. Okay. Yeah. So this is my YouTube channel. One second, guys. Yeah. So this is my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, there are many useful videos available on PowerCenter, IICS, Oracle, Unix, and many more courses. Also, please visit my website, Raj Cloud Technologies, that is rajinformatica.com. I'm sending you here. So here you can see the interview questions. You can see the interview questions. You can see the materials. Okay. Also, you can see the courses available with us. Also, you can go to. I'll share the today's recording. I'll share the today's. Also, you can go to the reviews. There are 1433 Google reviews. Okay. So you can see the reviews and you can decide to join. Okay. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. See you in the next session.